What's up guys, it's Tyler, TV the Greek, and we are back with another video, and we got a super epic build for y'all today. If you know anything about PC building and PCs in general, you know we're building the most epic PC you can build for yourself. This is a 14900K with the 4090. We even got streamer cables going in this thing. It's about to be absolutely beautiful. It's all going to be housed in the Montech King 95 Pro. It's a beautiful case. It's going to look really good. On top of that, we got 4 terabytes of storage going in here between 2 Samsung 980 Pros. It's going to be absolutely amazing. For the motherboard, we got the ROG Strix Z790H gaming Wi-Fi. Great motherboard. It's one at the top of the line. You can't really get much better than that. We got the Thermaltake 1200 watt tough power supply that's going to power this whole thing. It's going to do plenty for it. It's going to leave a little bit of room on top because this is going to draw a lot of power, but 1200 watt is plenty enough. As for the RAM, we got the Trident Z DDR5 RGB. It's going to be great, 32 gigabyte, running at 6,000 megahertz. Great RAM. It's going to power it. It's going to do everything we need it to do. Basically, all in all, it's going to be an awesome PC, so let's get to it.